The marks obtained in mathematics by 30 students of class 10 of a certain school are given below. Find the mean of marks obtained by the students using assumed mean method. So in this method, we have to assume a mean before starting the solution. So the question is given as the marks are given are 10 to 25, number of students is 2. So 3 students got 25 to 40 and 7 students got 40 to 55 and 6 students got 55 to 70 and 6 students got 70 to 85 and 85 to 100 obtained by 6 students. So the formula for mean is sigma of fi xi by sigma of fi. So the formula for assumed mean is a plus sigma of fi di by sigma of fi. So here di is xi minus a, where xi is the class interval and a is the assumed mean or any mean or middle number in the class. So di is the difference of class and the assumed mean. Now here because the data is given as group data, so ungrouped data will convert it as 10 plus 25 by 2, which is 17.5, and 25 plus 40 by 2, which is 32.5, 40 plus 55 by 2, 47.5, 55 plus 70 by 2 as 62.5, and 70 plus 85 by 2 as 77.5, and 85 plus 100 by 2 as 92.5. So this is class marks, which is xi. So now to take the middle of the term, so we will consider this term and this term and the second term and second term. Third term and fourth term are the middle term. So we will take any one term as the mean, assumed mean. We will assume it as mean. So you can assume any class marks as mean. But if you assume in the middle term, so that will be easy for calculations. So let us consider the assumed mean as 47.5. And one more thing to notice is the difference between each class, which is 17.5 minus 32.5, 47.5 minus 32.5. So the difference is 15. Now the formula for assumed mean is a plus sigma of fi di by sigma of fi. This is same like sigma of fi xi by sigma of fi. So so d bar will be assumed mean deviation will be sigma of fi di by sigma of fi. So since di is xi minus a, so di is equal to sigma of, we will replace this di with xi minus a. So multiplying these two terms with sigma of fi by sigma of fi, we can write sigma of fi into xi by sigma of fi minus of sigma of fi into a by sigma of fi. So sigma of fi and sigma of fi will get cancelled. So we have this formula is for x bar. So here also sigma of fi and fi will get cancelled. So we have x bar minus a, which is class minus a. Therefore d is equals to di is equals to xi minus a. X is mean is a plus d bar. So a plus, the formula for d is sigma of fi di by sigma of fi. Now by adding another column of di in the same table, so class interval is 10 to 25 and so on, and number of students is given as 2, 3, 7, 6, 6, 6 up. So if we add up, that will be 30. Now class marks are 17.5, 32.5. This is the average of 10 and 25 is 17.5 and so on. So now we are assuming this 47.5 as mean. So first term xi minus a is minus 30 and second term is minus 15, third term is 0, fourth term is 15, fifth term is 30 and sixth term is 45. These are coming from this value xi minus a, where a is constant 47.5 and xi is 17.5. So 17.5 minus 47.5 is minus 30. Next 32.5 minus 47.5 is minus 15. And 47.5 minus 47.5 is 0. 62.5 minus 47.5 is 15. 77.5 minus 47.5 is 30. 92.5 minus 47.5 is 45. Now finding FIDI. So 2 times of minus 30 is minus 60, 2 times of minus 15 is minus 45, 7 times of 0 is 0, 6 times of 15 is 90, and 6 times of 30 is 180, 6 times of 45 is 270. Now we will find the sum of these terms. So adding all these terms, we will get 435. Now the formula for mean is A plus sigma of FIDI by sigma of FI. So we have A is nothing but the assumed mean, which is 47.5, plus 435 is sigma of FIDI by sigma of FI is 30. So cancelling this, we will get 47.5 plus 14.5 for this. 435 divided by 30 is 14.5. So adding up, we will get 62. Therefore, the mean is 62. The mean marks using assumed mean method are 62.